In this video, we're going to break down 3 ways digital course creators should be using YouTube to promote themselves and their courses. By the end of this video, you will be ready to jump right into YouTube marketing so that you can sell your course. All right, you ready? Let's jump in. Before we get into that, please do me a favor and click that subscribe button and click the bell so that you're notified when a new video drops. If you aren't using YouTube as a marketing tool, you are missing out on a whole new audience. Let's face it, most people would rather watch a promotional video than read something. Is that you? It's totally me. Videos are a dynamic way to get in front of new people. So how can you use the YouTube algorithm to make sure your videos get in front of the right potential clients? Number 1, provide free, valuable content on YouTube. People turn to YouTube for everything these days. There are video tutorials on how to change your oil in your car, or how to knit a sweater, or how to organize a 300 square foot apartment. It's a huge resource and wealth of information that anyone can access for free. So if you want new eyes on your course, you need to be on there giving away free content. Now, I get it. This may seem counterintuitive since you're trying to sell a course, but hear me out. Gary Vaynerchuk calls this the jab, 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 right hook method. Before you can ask new prospects to buy something from you, you need to offer them plenty of valuable content for free. Once they understand the value of your work, they will feel motivated to spend their hard-earned money to go to the next level with you. Now, with this method, the free content is a jab. And after a couple of successful jabs, you can pull out the right hook and sell to them. The good news is that if you already have an entire course written, creating free content will be easy. Simply pull from your course to create bite-sized introductory level videos that graze on the subject. Obviously, you won't be giving away your secret sauce. And at the end of your video, you can mention that they can go deeper into the subject with you through your course. Simply put a link to the course in the description of the video so they can easily access it. Remember, you need to offer multiple jabs before you can bring that right hook. So don't just post one video and expect it to do all the work. Churn out several high-quality videos so you can grow your audience and gain their trust as an expert in your field. Number 2, collaborate with expert YouTubers in your field. YouTube is a great place to collaborate with others and share audiences. In fact, you can even utilize your competition to grow your audience. To do this, do some research and see who's already on YouTube talking about your topic. Do they have a lot of authority? Do they have a big following? When you find someone that you can connect with, start building a relationship with them. Watch and comment on their videos, follow their social media channels, and try to form a genuine friendship. Eventually, you can ask them to collaborate on a video with you. You could interview them about your topic to offer more value to your audience, and hopefully this will also bring their audience to your channel. Another way to do this is to reach out to experts in your field and ask if you can interview them. If they are someone with a lot of recognition, you may need to pay them. The expense will be more than worth it when it brings their audience to your channel. Now, this is a well-known fact, but after Google, YouTube is the second most popular search engine, and it has 2.3 billion users that log on to watch videos every day. There is plenty of viewership to go around, so instead of trying to beat out your competition, try to collaborate with them instead. It's a great way to bring the right people to your content. Ultimately, those are the people who you want to buy your course. Number 3, win the YouTube algorithm. YouTube is owned by Google, so there are several SEO practices that you can implement to boost your videos on the platform. Google ranks videos by factors like thumbnail, title, descriptions, keywords you use. To rank highly, each of those elements needs to be strong. Before you post a video, do some keyword research to make sure that you are using the right keywords. And then pull them into your title so that you make it stronger. And don't forget to use those same exact keywords multiple times within the video, because guess what? Google listens to your content. Your thumbnail should be something that people will want to click on, so don't just use a still image from your video. Take the time, design a graphic that includes a photo of you and a clear attention-grabbing title. A small hack, you can browse through the thumbnails of some of your favorite YouTubers and get ideas. You can easily create your own thumbnail using a free graphic design service like Canva. The algorithm also likes consistency, so stick to an upload schedule that works for you. Now, don't overcommit yourself in the beginning, but ideally you should post a video at least once a week. Here are a few final thoughts on YouTube for course creators. At the end of the day, YouTube is one of the best marketing tools for course creators, so you need to take advantage of the platform. You will get your course in front of more potential clients and grow your audience and build genuine community, which is an awesome thing. Once you establish your authority on YouTube and build a following, you can direct them to your website and hopefully convert them to buyers. Lastly, do you already have a platform to build your online course? If not, head over to flyplugins.com and check out WP Courseware. WP Courseware can help you create, launch, and sell your course through your WordPress website. It's super easy to set up and configure, so check it out today, flyplugins.com. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.